We all know bookkeeping can suck up a lot of time, but Ramp and Puzzle's automations are changing all of this. Ramp's spend management platform and Puzzle's real-time accounting solution can eliminate 50% of your manual categorization time at month end. With Ramp, you can manage all of your non-payroll spend with a corporate card, pay bills, and reimburse employees. And Puzzle is startup accounting software supercharged by AI. Using both Puzzle and Ramp, this will help you be more efficient and spend less time on manual tasks and give you more time for the important things. You will be surprised at how much work this actually takes away from you. Let me show you how easy it is. First, connect your Ramp account to your Puzzle account. If you did not do this during onboarding, don't worry. On your dashboard, all you need to do is scroll down to integrations, connect your Ramp account this way. That's step one. And if you don't have Ramp yet, don't worry. We have a special offer for you. Visit ramp.com/partners/puzzle and enter in your work email to start the application process and claim your bonus. Okay, great. So we're in Ramp. One of the things that Ramp does is help you pay back employees for out-of-pocket expenses made anywhere in the world. It's really easy for your employees to put through a reimbursement request on their computer or directly on Ramp's mobile app. Let's go through an example of how easy it is for somebody to request a reimbursement, and then I'm going to show you the magic of how it syncs back into Puzzle. Here's an example of a user requesting a reimbursement. They're submitting a reimbursement for a vendor called Eden Florist. Enter the amount, the transaction date, and the description of the reimbursement in the memo. The user submits this reimbursement for approval. Let's see what it looks like on the admin side. Now here we are on the admin side. The admin receives a request for approval. They'll go through, read the memo, categorize the expense to the right accounting category. And by the way, the Ramp Accounting API also pulls in all of the GL codes directly to Ramp, so you don't have to code anything twice. And I'll show you that in a minute. They look at the receipt and it's approved. Okay, the magic is about to start, so I hope you're ready. Remember, everything was already submitted, approved, paid for, and even categorized in Ramp. Now, this was categorized to account 61200, which is employee gifts and miscellaneous benefits. Because of this integration, every single thing in Ramp syncs over in real time to Puzzle. So now let's find this reimbursement in Puzzle and you'll see how. Everything has synced over, okay? The memo, the vendor, the date, and the account. Look, it is coded to employee gifts and miscellaneous benefits. And even the receipt is synced over. So you don't have to go back and forth anymore between two different systems trying to figure out what this payment was for, who it was for, the context, and find the receipt. You don't have to categorize in two different systems anymore. And this is the power of the Puzzle and Ramp bill pay integration. In fact, some users say that it decreases the amount of time they spend categorizing by 50%. That's 2 times faster transaction categorization, which ultimately, at the end of the day, has saved some users 25% from their month-end close. Ramp Bill Pay helps you process, record, approve, and pay your invoices with minimal data entry. Ramp Bill Pay will use AI to automatically extract data from your invoices directly into the system. This is a bill for a vendor called Reframe Coaching and Consulting in the amount of $110.05. You can enter in your payment information directly in Ramp and make this payment. This bill is being approved. And after its approval, this bill will actually sync directly over into Puzzle. This will be categorized as a bill outstanding to be paid, an AP. When the bill has been paid, you'll be able to see this on the admin screen. We can see that the bill was paid via ACH, and it was coded to account 61100, Learning, Training, and Development. Remember that. All of this information is now automatically synced to Puzzle. Now, when we see this account in Puzzle, we can see that all of the data from Ramp has been pulled in automatically. the date, the description, the vendor, the memo, and best of all, the account. Remember that account? 61100, Learning, Training, and Development. It was auto-categorized to the right account. We can see that Puzzlebot automatically matched the account in Puzzle from a matched bill. Let's go ahead and look at that matched bill. The cash payment auto-matches the original bill, which automatically reduces the AP. So you can see that the original bill is also in Puzzle. This was all synced over from Ramp. Everything you need is in Puzzle, including a copy of the invoice. How's that for time savings? You only need to categorize once because everything is auto-categorized from Ramp to Puzzle. This doesn't happen in other accounting systems. There's an auto match between the original AP bill to the cash payment with a corresponding reduction in AP without any manual work. There's instant context around every transaction. You don't have to dig for more information. You don't have to chase invoices or go back and forth with your client. Everything was synced over from Ramp. So if you want a speedier month-end close and you want to take advantage of these automated categorizations, check out Ramp and Puzzle.